Hello everybody. Today we are going to build a JMonkey application using just Gradle and a command prompt. So your box would have to have Gradle installed and it would also have to have Java installed. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is make a folder. So I just called mine Gradle test. And inside that folder we need to make a source folder. So we'll do new folder source. And inside there we need a main folder. And this is just normal standard Gradle folder structure. And then Java. And then this is your reverse domain. So I'll do com.scriptblocks. New folder, test-gradle. Okay. And so inside there, we're going to create a Java file. So we'll call it main.java. And we'll open that up in our text editor. And it's just the very generic showing a blue box on a black background inside JMonkey. So we'll copy that in there. So all it does is create an instance of itself, then creates a box, creates a geometry, adds a shader to that geometry, colors it blue, and then adds it to the root node. Okay. And then once we have that, then we go into this folder and we say Gradle init. And that's going to build all the Gradle files inside that folder. So we get a build.gradle, we get a settings.gradle, we get the bat file and the shell script file that can run the application. And then from there, we need to open up the build.gradle file and modify it a bit. So we see this whole section's commented out, so we need to uncomment it. We need to add apply plugin because we want this to be an application. So apply plugin application. And then we also need to make a variable called, what did I call it? Called it JME version. So we add that in there. We need to say what our main class name is going to be. I'm not sure if Gradle likes single quotes or double quotes. It looks like it generates it with single quotes, so we could keep with that convention, but I don't think it matters. We're going to call it com.scriptblocks. And this, of course, would be whatever name of package you define. What did we call that? We did test-gradle, I believe. And then main. Close that up. And then the repositories is fine the way they are because the JMonkey libraries are inside there. But we do need to add the compile dependencies. So we'll go into here, add the compile dependencies, and this is the JMonkey core, the LWGL libraries that JMonkey uses, and then I'm not sure what's inside the desktop, but that's what I've seen used before. So those three are needed. So we have the application, the variable for this, class name to say which is the package file or the Java file that runs the application. In this case, we can see com.scriptblocks.testgradle and com.scriptblocks.testgradle. And then the main file. So we save that. We come to our command prompt and we say Gradle run, which is going to do a build and then run the application. If it all goes out, yep, like this. And then we don't want it full screen, but we can see that we have our normal little blue box. And that's all you have to do in order to get it to run with Gradle. Thank you.